Welcome to Correct Tales TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful strategy you can adopt to make good income for yourself. I want you to go to a platform named offervote.com. Offervote.com. What is offervote.com? Offervote.com. This is a platform that enables you to earn income. What? By promoting other people's products or by driving traffic to a product, then you earn money for all those traffic drive, which is also referred to as CPA offer. You can see on this platform you can also get to a bunch of affiliate platform. It also links to many affiliate platform. You can see affiliate networks, pay per call offers. They're going to pay for every pay per call. Mobile offers. We also have traffic source offers. So for the sake of this, in order to consume your time, for the sake of this video, we'll just choose one offer, then proceed to how you can promote it. So you can see credit report, CPSC, delay tracking, WinSpark CPA, clear shared mask, tile installation, home of credit, sweep stakes, PlayStation 5, Amazon. Let's see a good offer to sell. You can see, let's see, if you promote this offer, for every click they pay you $20. You can see FT iPhone 13 direct. Let's click on it. You'll pay you $20. It's a CPA marketing. You can see preview the landing page, category sweepstakes. So this is the offer. Once you get the affiliate link for this offer, we'll be going to a platform named Google. Let's first of all copy our offer. And go to a platform named Google. Google.com. We'll be making use of this image category to search for a product related to iPhone 13. See iPhone 13 for an image related to iPhone 13. So you can see all these image related to iPhone 13. They're all image related to iPhone 13. So we'll be looking for the usage right. We'll be clicking on the Creative Commons license. The Creative Commons license, you can see all these are iPhone 13 image which are licensable. That is, you can reuse them on any platform, anywhere, anytime, without being held into account for using the image. So let's just download one image. Bam, you have successfully downloaded. Once you have downloaded the image, they will be going to a platform named Pinterest. Pinterest.com. So this is Pinterest.com. We are now on the platform. You can see I'm already promoting some product on this platform. So I'll be going to the main home page of Pinterest. You can see we have different types of offer. So we'll be clicking on search iPhone 13. It's going to pop up all image related to iPhone 13. You can see all these are image, video, 30-second video, image, video, and etc. You can see all these are iPhone 13 video. You can see, and are all promoting what we are also promoting. If we check on any one of them, we will see that they're all promoting a link. So we will be doing what all these people are doing. That's what we also be doing for ourselves. Now we will now go to our profile and click the additional sign at the top right hand corner. You can see, then add photo. You can see the recent iPhone 13 will download. Then you click on it. Then you click on done. Then once you click on done, you can create another board. You can add name to the board, phone category. You can see. Then you create. You can see it has been successfully saved. This is it. This is it. This is then you can then what edit it to add full information on the image. So now to edit it, you can see, click on the pen, then you input the title down here, then you input the phone information and also what your iPhone affiliate link here. So anytime they click on this link, it will take them direct to the offer you are promoting. Once you take them direct to the offer, surely you will be making a click count. Then the company will be paying you for every click you make, for every quality click you make, for every quality click you make, it generated on your affiliate link. That's just how it works. That's just how it works on this platform. So kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.